Hi everyone, I am Akriti, and right now we have our exam season. At least in India, it is the exam season going on because I think all over the world it is the Christmas season right now. And because it is the exam season, my For You page is flooded with study with me vlogs, whether it's Pinterest or YouTube. And while they are very aesthetic and very cute and Pinteresty, and very pleasing to look, so I noticed some things, and let me tell you, I'm going to discuss them right now. But these are just my observations, my opinion. You might agree with it, but if you don't, maybe respectfully comment or just scroll away. Mostly all the vlogs, all the little reels, short videos we see of study with me, they usually have the same layout. First, they will show us preparing a drink or a snack, and then they will bring it to the table. The table is usually plain white, and the wall is also usually, not usually, but all the time, plain white. Then there is usually a shot of taking out their notebooks, diaries, and everything they need, all the pens. And that is when we see all study table organizers they have, all the devices they have. And then we have a shot of the person sitting on the chair, or maybe not, and then they just start doing their work. It really makes me wonder, did we really lose color in the world as humans? Why does everything have to be white and boring? Did we really lose color in the world? Because at least I know my room has a lot of color in it. It is not boastful, it is not really unaesthetic. It's my room and I feel nice in it. Why does everything have to be plain white? I mean, isn't doesn't it get kind of boring? Then we see their diaries, their pens, and you know what? Most of the diaries and pens, they're always color coded. Either most of the time the aesthetic is pink and white, baby pink and white, or it is other two colors or two other colors. It is always color coded. In real life, it is not really possible for everything to be color coded. It's genuinely not possible. When you buy something, you just buy it. You don't think in the future that when I make a vlog of it in the future, will that thing be color coded? Will that thing be aesthetic? No, much color coordination is not always possible. I've noticed that most of these vlog always have so many pens in their organizers. I mean, first of all, their table has so many organizers. They have such a big table. These people have so many pens, like hundreds of pens on their table. And trust me, you can't use hundreds of pens in a single diary. You won't be able to use it. And that is excessive stationery. And if you know me, I am a person who goes crazy when I see diary, stationery, pens, colors, and every art and craft thing. I am someone who goes crazy. I'm so overwhelmed because I love that thing. And if someone like me is telling you that it is excessive stationery, then trust me, it is a lot of stationery. And that much stuff is not needed. My main problem with these things are that these videos are so motivating, but please don't actually sit down and try to notes because every video I've seen, why does that person have a pretty handwriting? I mean, there are people like me, I'm very good at calligraphy, I'm very good at it, but my handwriting is horrible. I have a horrible handwriting. And I've tried to make aesthetic notes like that. But you know what? It is a waste of time. It is genuinely a waste of time. And while you're making notes, all that your mind could think would be that what color I should pick next. Should I make a cloud or a circle? I think this would look good on a sticky note. Your mind would constantly be about how to make that note pretty, but you won't be able to absorb anything though, unless and until you have like a lot of time, because first you will go to the lecture, then you will come back, make notes, you won't absorb anything, so you'll study those notes, you study it again during the exam, then maybe revision again, 2 3 times revision. So like unless and until you have the time to revise same notes, like read and look at the same notes like 7 8 times throughout the semester, I suggest don't go for this. I mean, these look really pretty, but at least I don't have enough time to devote for my notes to look these pretty. when I know that once my semester is ended, I might not need to look at these notes anymore. What am I going to do with them? Another thing that I noticed was that a lot of these logs, these people are using so many devices all at once. I mean, they have desktop, laptops, and iPads, and their mobiles are used in recording those things. So, like three devices, they are using those devices all at once. And if you zoom closely, a lot of times they use such a good display of a desktop only to display an aesthetic timer. Like, you have a timer in your mobile, I get it, you want motivation and all, but you don't need to use so many devices all at once unless and until you are doing something which is extremely complicated, which actually needs. And you know what, when I see these videos I get motivated, but I feel like that, oh, I wish I had so many devices. Like, it looks so nice, but it only looks nice. You don't need so many devices to study all at once. These people have so many organizers on their desk, and a lot of times, I hope not, but these organizers seem to be of plastic. You should not use that much plastic. That is my main concern. You should not use that much plastic. But these organizers are usually made of plastic, and there are amazing organizers on Amazon in the market. If you have time to go out, there are amazing ways to store your stationery on your table systematically, which is not plastic. And the labels on so many organizers, I've seen those labels. There is only one store of that company near me, which was also like 2, 3 hours away from me. And I've been there and I went crazy. But I know I won't buy this stuff, all of this stuff, because I hope it's not plastic. But if it is plastic, this is a very horrible thing. I know the purpose of my video might be a little confusing, but I'm just telling you what I observed in these videos. I do not mean to criticize anyone, but I am I might be criticizing you. Like, there are only one or two vlogs which I have come across which are so colorful and so pretty, and like, they are actually colorful. They're not plain white and pink coded. I'm really bored with the white and pink combination, honestly. Everything is that, but like these 2, 3 study vlogs, these are very colorful and I love that. So if you think that you need to use a lot of devices like these people, you might not. Think again. If you think you need so many organizers, so many things right on your table, and maybe not in a drawer, think about it. Do you have the time to make such pretty notes throughout the semester? Do you have the time to make notes, pretty notes of everything, because they are quite time consuming? Think about that. Do you need hundreds of types of pens, highlighters, fine liners? Do you need so many pens all at once in every color? Are you sure you need all of them? And you are going to use all of them, and none of them are going to get dried up and go to waste? I'm not asking anyone to stop making pretty notes. It's your choice. If you have time, if you have the energy, if you have the motivation, please make pretty notes because they look really pretty. But all I'm saying is, if you don't have the time, if you don't have the energy, don't think about sitting down, and making pretty notes. It's not everybody's cup of tea, and not everybody's piece of cake. This was just my opinion. And as I have always said, these vlogs are really aesthetic, really motivating. I swear, these are really motivating. These are the things, these were just the pointers that I observed throughout while I was scrolling on social media, and I thought I should speak about them. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.